Hi everyone, in this video we are going to see how to handle nulls and how to fill those null values using both the functions dropna and fillna. So dropna is used for dropping the nulls and fillna is used for filling those nulls with some other values. Okay, so let's first work on this dropna function. So I am having this data and I want to drop all the records where each column is null. So if a record has all the columns nulls, then that particular record has to be dropped. So let's see how we can do that. Just paste here and write dropna, then use the function. If I write all, then it will consider all the columns, and if it is null, then it will drop the particular record. So if you see, the total records count is 8523, and let's see how many records we will get here. I'm just copying this and add a schedule below. See, again same, it is 8523, and this is also after dropping all the records where all the columns having nulls is same 8523. It means there are no records with every column is having null. Okay, now let's see, if any one of the column is having null, then that particular column will be dropped. If you see here, let's assume here this record will be dropped because item weight is null here. And if you see the other column here, outlet size, so this record. Similarly, if this column has any null value, that particular record also gets dropped. So in this way, let's see how many records we will get. It's four, means 4000 records. The output is 4000 records. It means the remaining 4000 records are having at least one null value in any one of their column. Okay, now I want to drop null values where only that particular column is having null, or we can do that. So if you see, for example, here this item weight is having some nulls, right? So I want to, okay, let's write subset equals to, here I will write the column name as item weight. Okay, now this will display. Now this will drop the records where item weight is having nulls. You see here, there won't be any null value in this particular column. It means the other 1000 records are having nulls in their item weight column. This is the meaning of this output using this command. Okay. Now let's go for fillna. So here we are having this out, here we are having this output data, and we need to work on this using fillna. Okay. Okay. So now I want to fill all the columns with where each value is null with with not available. Okay, so see here, this is fillna, this is fillna, and I want to replace with not available. Okay, not available. So if you run this, so wherever there is a null, it will be replaced with not available. Let's see. See here, we could see still null values. Can you guess why? Meanwhile, I will look for other. See here, outlet size is having not null. Okay, but whereas item weight is still having nulls. Can you guess why? Because this outlet size is a string field, whereas this item weight is a double. Okay, so for that reason, this is not working on the double column. So now, if you give here some 0 or some integers values or double values, 0.0 something, let's try this. See, it's still it's having null values. No, see, these values are replaced with 0.000, nothing but 0. You can say 0. It is replaced with 0. So there are no nulls here. But if you see in this column, we are again having, because this is a string column and we gave only these values. Okay. Now you got, I think. Now you got the difference between this. Why it is replacing only on particular columns. Okay. Now I just want to replace only on the particular column. Then in that case I can use subset. Okay. Here I will write subset. This one. Okay. You see, here this particular column gets replaced with not available. The column name is outlet size, right? So this particular column not available, replaced with not available. So this is about subset and fill now. And previously we have used drop now and again with subset. So this is about this video, how we can handle the nulls and fill the null values. Thanks for watching.